One unexpected car repair wiped out my entire savings account. That's when I learned what an emergency fund actually is. What is an emergency fund? 3 to 6 months of living expenses in cash. Not for vacations or sales, only true emergencies. Keeps debt away when life happens. Start with $1,000 first. Full 3-month fund feels impossible at first. $1,000 covers most real emergencies. Get there before anything else. Where to keep it? High-yield savings account, not your checking. Separate bank makes it harder to touch. Should earn 4 to 5% interest right now. How to fund it fast. Sell one thing you don't use this week. Cut one subscription for 60 days. Any windfall, tax refund, bonus, goes here first. Automate it so you can't skip it. Set up auto transfer on payday. Even $25 per week equals $1,300 in a year. What you never see, you never spend. Track your emergency fund progress with our free savings tracker Printable, link in description. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday.